Hi everyone, it's Penny again with Parris RV. Today we're going to look at the brand new 2026-23-25 MBR Mini Lite. We're going to start at the front and then just kind of go around the whole trailer so we can get all the options on the exterior, and then we'll head inside. First thing I do want you to notice is you do have a full power jack on the front with 60-pound propane tanks. Also, you'll notice with the Mini Lite that you get this beautiful big window with a full front cap and an LED docking light. Of course, we're going to put batteries on this for you, and also up front, which is kind of hard to see, you do have a battery disconnect. To the side, we have 4 power jacks on this. The analog retract switch is at the front, and these jacks are the PSX2 jack, which is going to give us a nice big heavy foot. So you're going to be very stable when you're camping. Up front, you also will have a full refrigerator, little magic chef up here, so someplace to put your drinks when you're camping. It is 12 volt on that, and also the plug is inverted, so that is definitely going to run off your batteries. We have a 35,000 BTU furnace on this. That's super big. Typically, most trailers are going to come with a 30,000, so nice big heater to keep you warm. And this is going to carry 54 gallons of fresh water, 58 gallons of gray water, and a 29-gallon black water tank. That gray water tank is huge on this trailer. I want to talk about this solid stair system. The stair itself weighs 77 pounds. You can see that I can lift this up easily with one hand and pop it in. And that's because we have a strut that takes care of that stair, takes all the weight off of it. We have the new rail for this year as well. Super nice, super sturdy, pops down. There you go. Let's talk about the suspension and the tires a little bit. So on our tires and our suspension, this is an independent suspension. It's called Torflex. That Torflex suspension actually comes with a 10-year warranty. Now, as far as the tires, they're not going to give you cheapy tires. These are the Goodyear Endurance tires, and they also have the balance beads already inside. You also have the Easy Lube hub on these, so you can lube your axles easily. Coming towards the back, you'll notice that we have a rail here and a place to even bring out our TV. So our TV from the interior can come outside. We can easily plug it in right here if we're at the park and want to watch a movie. And the rail is so that if you have a grill or an barbecue, you have the rail to put it on, and down below is your quick connect. It does have the 6-gallon hot water heater. However, these hot water heaters are a little bit larger. They're an 18.4 recovery, which is nice. It's going to recover that water about 11 times faster than the normal. You'll notice that you have your outside shower on the awning side. This is great because now if you're cooking and you need that water, you don't have to run inside. It's right here. We do have our city water connection. Our Santa flush, really important if you don't want to drag a hose in and push it down the toilet to clean your toilet tank. We can do that right from out here. And then antifreeze assist. You're typically not going to see antifreeze assist unless it is a Forest River trailer. This is going to just make your winterizing a lot easier. And it does have a book on the inside, which I'll show you here in a minute, that will explain that. Notice that you do have a full ladder off the back. This is a full fiberglass vacuum bonded roof. It is in one piece. It's full walk-on. So your ladder's there for you if you want to get up, suntan, check your seams, whatever you need to do on the roof. It does come, of course, with the spare tire, and also comes with a 300-pound hitch or receiver off the back. So if you guys want to take a generator and you have a rack for that, or you want to take your bikes, you're set. It is backup camera ready. It does not come with the backup camera. However, it is backup camera ready. Around the back here, we have our 30 amp service, and we're going to have some storage from the exterior that I want to show you. That's located right here. Everything is first a slam latch door, which is nice. Open it up, it's all magnetic. And this is underneath the bed. This is going to give you a nice big storage compartment, and also even our whole bed frame and the interior of this coach is 100% welded aluminum. Well, we're here in the kitchen. First thing I want you to notice about this is we do have a nice breakfast bar and a lot of kitchen counter space. In the kitchen, you're going to find receptacles, GFCI on either side of the sink, and also you're going to have a USB. So if you want to charge your phone in the kitchen, you can. Under cabinet lighting, which is super nice, and lots of cabinets up top, lots of drawers, and also a nice big pantry to the side. So there's a lot of storage in this kitchen. It also comes with a 21-inch oven. That's going to hold your 9x13-inch pan, and of course your small microwave. We do have a 10 cubic foot refrigerator. Beautiful, nice big refrigerator. Also, since we have this open, I'll show you. This does come with an inline soft water filter as well. Also in here, you're going to find your road track. This is a TST. This monitors the heat and air pressure of your tires. So this is built into the tires. This monitor will just go into your tow vehicle, plug into a lighter, and you'll be set. The other thing I want you to notice is no other manufacturer is probably going to do this for you. And this is a book with everything you need to know about camping, your trailer, as far as plumbing, electrical. This does have an 1800 watt inverter. In here's a schematic sheet that's going to show you which outlets are inverted. So anything you need to know about this trailer is in this book, including how to winterize. So that's really nice for you as well. So in our living room / kitchen area, we do have a really nice 3-person couch, but it does turn into theater seating, and you do have your cup holders here as well. Okay, up to our breakfast bar, we do have 2 really nice leather seats. And of course the TV is a 40-inch smart TV, and it does pull out so you guys can turn it any way you want. Before we move into the bedroom, I want to show you your coat closet. And inside here, you're going to find your monitor panel. That's where you will be able to not only turn on your lights, interior lights, check your water levels, but also you do have heated tanks on this, and the tank heater is on your monitor panel. Moving on to the bedroom, I want you to notice that you do have a beautiful queen size bed in here and a lot of cabinet space. Huge closet, lots of cabinets down below. If you want to add a TV, it's completely ready with a backer. Into a nice spacious bathroom. In this room, again, you do have a nice size vanity and sink and another pantry. Opens up, double level, lots of shelves in here for whatever you need to take. And then of course you do have storage in a medicine cabinet and some storage underneath the sink. We do have a porcelain toilet in here, rear window. There's also a skylight in here and a huge shower with a glass door. Also, this does come set up with the shower miser. What that's going to do is allow you to shut your shower off with one handle. It'll keep the water going through the hot water heater. So if you are dry camping, you can save some of that water. The one last thing I do want to talk a little bit about, this is your solar monitor panel, and you have 400 watts of solar up on the roof. Okay, that's gonna wrap up our video on the 2523 MBR Mini Lite. If you like this trailer, come see me at Parris RV, drop us a note, send us a comment. We'd love to hear from you.